today at the third edition of the Manufacturing Technology Conference, and this is where we bring together manufacturing companies, designers, engineers and technology partners.
Dit evenement is belangrijk omdat de nadruk ligt op uitwisselen van kennis. Hier kun je eigenlijk ongegeneerd praten over technische details en dat bevordert kennisuitwisseling. Wij vinden het leuk omdat wij enthousiaste technische mensen zijn. We vinden het altijd leuk om te vertellen wat we doen.
The concept is unique because everybody has a small booth and every sprint have the same template. You can put there your advantages, your highlights, your features, and of course it's very interesting to see which other companies also joining this event and showing their technologies.
I'm convinced that knowledge sharing and collaboration within the manufacturing technology is really essential to innovation. And I'm very proud that the 100 organizations who are here today presenting their technology posters feel the same way.